Easily store and access 2 terabytes of content on the go with the Seagate Portable Drive, a great laptop hard drive. Designed to work with Windows or Mac computers, this compact external hard drive makes backup a snap. Real users share their experience. Number 5. Works perfectly and as intended. Sean Bishop. 5-star. It came in the mail, I plugged it in, and it works fine. Writing speed is decent, it barely makes any noise, and it's easy to transport. Sean Bishop. One star. Are you a creative? Edit video? Need a backup or external working drive? Don't buy this. Joseph Azevedo. Number 4. Good choice. Cameron S. 4-star. I needed more storage space as I'm a music producer and was running out of storage space on my older 1TB USB 3.0 external drive. So far this drive is working great on my Mac and Windows machines. No issues of any kind. Hopefully it stays that way. Cameron S. Number 3. Unsatisfied with Seagate forced hard drive registration. Scott. 3-star. I ordered this Seagate portable 1TB external hard drive HDD, USB 3.0, from Amazon Prime. The price was good and the drive came the same day. I connected the hard drive to our iMac 27 inches, which recognized it with no problems. Scott. Number 5. Works great, plenty of room for regular backups. Terry Arnai. 5-star. This is my second Seagate portable USB hard drive. The other one, a 1TB drive, just wasn't big enough for repeated backups of my computer. But this 4TB drive has lots of room and works great. It was already formatted to work with my Windows 10 computer. Terry Arnai. To read all the reviews, click the link in the description below.